How to add a material in the CoreXBiz Materials List. In the Suppliers module, open Materials List, your catalog of items you purchase and track. You can browse in Card or List View, search the directory, and open Add Material when you need a new item. We already have printer ink blue. Next, we will add printer ink black. Click Add Material to open the form. Start with material name. We will add printer ink black. Add a material code so purchasing and inventory can reference it consistently. Choose a product and service category so this material stays organized with related items. Set the unit, for example cartridge, roll, sheet, or kilogram. Enter the unit cost used for purchasing and inventory valuation. Add brand and manufacturer part number when you have them. Helpful for reorders and matching supplier catalogs. Internal material notes are for your team. Handling tips or purchasing reminders that stay inside CoreXBiz. Under Suppliers, click Add Supplier, search an ink-related vendor. Then set Supplier SKU and Supplier price for this material. Click Add Supplier again when you need secondary or third sources, by cost preference, or when a strategic supplier is better for a specific material. Quantity on hand is how many you keep in inventory, or 0 if you order only when needed. Reorder point is when to buy again. Lead time in days is how long materials usually take to arrive. You can add more detail when needed. Dimensions, weight per unit, color, grade or quality, GSM weight, and thickness. We will set color to black for this ink. Before you save, review the material summary card. A quick overview of name, category, suppliers, cost, and inventory. Save material, then close the form to return to the list. After save, search and review materials in Card or List View. From a material card, you can create a purchase order right away with Purchase. That is how you add a material in the Materials List in CoreXBiz.